Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about plotting and axis methods. I hope I can make it easy for you to understand. First of all, I am going to write the codes. %matplotlib inline, and then we have one space, import numpy as np, and then import pandas as pd, and finally import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, let's run the code. It is so important to remember in any plotting method you should have these 4-line codes, because without that you will definitely get an error. In this step I am going to explain axis methods. By using numeric values we can make it so easy. So let's write the code. Fig, comma, x equal plot.subplots, brackets, and then we have one space, x equal np dot min space 0, 1, 100, and then y equal x multiplication 2 of one space. Finally we have x dot plot x and y, comma. Okay, let's run the code. As you can see in this plot, we have a very smooth curve. In fact, function fx equal x2, where x is an array of 100 values. Okay, let's write our final code in this video. Fig x equal plot.subplots, brackets, one space, x equal np.linspace 0, 1, 100, and then we have y equal x multiplication 2, and we have one space, x dot scatter x and y. So let's run our final code. As you can see, this plot is much more brighter than our axis plot. The only difference between these two plots is in this part, scatter and plot. So I hope this video was useful for you guys. In next video I'm going to talk about using marker in plot, which is so cool. Thank you guys, and see you next time.